Shut up and sit down.
I'm gonna put my level here. Here on this side, I'm gonna put an angle. On this side, I might be able to put a screw. There we go. Okay. Perfect. Nice and level. Rocking and rolling, baby.
Look at this.
Little tool.
Look at this. It's perfect.
I'm gonna put the safety overflow switch on the secondary. Primary is going out, and then this one is gonna go outside over one of the windows, which is one of those vents. So we're getting rid of the old drain pipe because it is not scheduled 40. See how thin the walls are? So we're gonna replace all this copper. This copper is getting replaced too. FYI, we're also gonna replace this attic fan because this one has seized up. Alright, so before I connect the drain lines and the line set, which I was planning to do, I changed my mind. Instead, I'm gonna connect these returns first because I don't know if you can tell, but I got rid of a bunch of trash that was there because it was starting to give me anxiety. Can't work around all that trash. But look at that nice platform I built right there to work in front of the furnace.
Look at all this floor space. So many aerobics in here. So many activities.
So patch this side a little bit because it was cut right here. That's our filter grill now. I'm getting ready to run the drain line. I'm just gonna put the drain line over there, and then I'm gonna use this wood to start bringing it up and raising it so that when I get to the furnace, I'm gonna have really good pitch. And then I'm gonna run the secondary for the drain pan. I'm gonna run it over there. It's gonna go across and into the drain pan. The drain. It's gonna go down with the line set cover. It's draining right there where it's been draining. Let's find the secondary and clean the vents. 1, 2, 3. There it is, right over the window. Exactly where I thought it was. So I'm gonna cut that screen open and pull that secondary drain line out. So there's our secondary, went through, and we're gonna go to our drain pan, which is in that direction. So I was able to push it through. Now I gotta go outside and see if there's enough so that I can braise the rest. Because I do not want to bend 7/8. I don't even want to use my bender on it because every time it bends it makes folds on the inside of the bend. If you guys know of a tool or a trick to not getting those folds on the inside of the bend from the benders, let me know in the comments. I've been in a hurry trying to finish this job, so I haven't recorded much, but so far I got all the supply ducts connected. I think I already showed you that. It's connected to these older ducts. It's metal from here on that way. These are actually very good condition. I like them more than the new ones actually. They feel like they're more rugged. Here's a copper, here's a filter dryer. The line set's been ran all the way through. There's that quiet cool attic fan that I'm gonna install later. Maybe I'll make a video, I don't know. So here's the 2 returns going to that can right there, to that return can. I already put the drain pan, so I already have my drains all stubbed out, so you can see where the secondary goes over the window, the primary goes that way where the line set exits to the same spot. It's like a corner on the floor over there. And also drain pan doesn't move. Right now I'm about to connect my vent pipe to see where it's gonna come out right here, and I gotta make the hole, put the flashing. So that's where I'm at right now. Here's where the magic happens, boys and girls. Pay attention. Oh yeah, boy. I tell you what. Look at that. Looks like it was roofed in almost. There we go. So I already put some under here. I'm gonna show you what I did there. Put it over here now too. Just to hold it down somewhat. Very important PSA. Don't forget to drink water, kids. Pretty, isn't it? The cherry on top.
Oh yeah. Keystrokes, escape key, both colon and semicolon, backslash, ampersand.
This attic fan installation was very simple. Just needed to block the top and bottom of the wall, connect power, and install app to operate. Highly recommend these quiet, cool attic fans.